Have you ever wondered how screen printing is done? Here at Bender Apparel, we decided to give you a peek at how we get things done with our all-new training video series. Let's get into it. Today we'll be making a screen. This is a process we do each day, making on average around 30 screens per day. We start the process by outputting artwork on films. Because artwork is separated by colors, each film contains only a portion of the art. After films come off the printer, they are individually cut into sheets. We double check that they align for our next step. Screens that are ready to be used are coated with a light-sensitive substance called emulsion. They must be stored in a dark, climate-controlled area. Yellow light is safe, but once exposed to white or natural light, emulsion will harden, rendering the screen useless. To start the burning process, films are taped to the screens. For multicolored prints, like this, each screen must be aligned on the press. We use this guide table that is marked with common print locations to keep the film placement on the screens as close as possible. These screens then go to the exposure unit, a vacuum-sealed enclosure that emits light and will now harden all of the emulsion not covered by the black print of the film. The print on the transparency is actually working as a light blocker to create a stencil. Exposed screens now need to be flushed, so we move them to our washout booth. Here we dip the burned screen in water to loosen the emulsion that has not been hardened by the light. Until we get this emulsion washed out, it can still harden. We spray the image area with water until all of the image is washed out. Keep in mind, when printing, ink will not pass through the emulsion or the green part of the screen, only the clear. When each screen is properly flushed, we move them to the last stage before they are ready to print. Flush screens are now placed in a dry box. But there you have it. The screens are now burned on the press, and here's what that artwork looked like on the t-shirt. If you're thinking of getting into screen printing, now you've got the information it takes to make a screen. And don't worry, you don't need a big budget to do any step you've seen here, as there are cost-effective options to get all of this done. But if you'd rather let us take care of it for you, give Bender Apparel a call at 888-222-9542 and visit the website www.bendershirts.com to see more of our work. Thanks for watching, drop a like, and let's chat in the comments. Peace.